G'day viewers. Well, I tried the power supply to this boombox. Just swapped DC and positive and negative around because it's a different polarity, and tested it, and this boombox worked. So I think it's a dead power supply. I thought, well, I want to put this power supply and swap it over. Now, having a closer inspection on this boombox, I found out why it wasn't working off batteries or AC. That little switch there, that little burnt terminal there. That's the main interactive switch. When you plug the cord in, that little button goes down, and that goes under here to these 3 points, and that turns the unit on batteries or AC. Well, that third pin's burnt, like it was never had enough solder in it and it knocked out. That explains why this thing was totally dead. Found little bits of the cassette mechanism, that's all put back together. I'm going to put this thing back together with this original power supply, because if I just solder that one broken pin, that's going to work. This is actually a newer one, RX DS650. This is a slightly newer board there. Looks like it has an optional DC in jack, but not included. Voltage selector, G model only. This one also had that, a DC input jack, which not included, goes here. But this model actually had it, but it was shorted out and there's an option, it wasn't installed. This one doesn't say it at all, but it has a footprint for one. As you can see there, that little burnt spot there, I'm going to fix that and this box will work with its original power supply again. Because if that switch doesn't work, that cuts power altogether. It won't work off batteries or AC. So I'm going to put this back together and just have that as a spare that works just as a radio under an A cassette or CD. This one will work because it aux in with an CD. This model, that's an RX DS750 or DC750 DS650. So these are actually quite collectible. I don't know why, but there's a stupid price these things sell for online. Frame's a bit starting to crack, but we'll give it. I'll keep an eye on those. I ordered a reframe kit for those original speakers. Anyway, let's fix this up. Just resolder that did work. That's alright. I don't have a parts unit that I'm going to leave as a radio only, and this thing is going to work perfectly. Okay, viewers, it works now. Oops.
Milwaukee 12-volt 2
yes.
fuel kit.
Turn it off. That's for the batteries, by the way. It works now. I've just lost a button there. It's one of these buttons anyway. I'll fix it. I'll find it later. Let's put that one here on it. Goes to the XPS button. Then what I did, I have to use a plenty of rosin cord. That's rosin, and I'll eat the carbon and everything off to clean up my mess so it sort of would stick. And that's done an excellent job now. That works fine now. Works fine. Easy fix. Bobby Dazzler. I want to quickly put it back together. Okay, I'll put it back together, as you can see.
Which was the home of Claudia Valesky.
It works quite nice.
Yes, in Tasmania.
I've cleaned the heads, found a little direction changer, put that all back together. Works nicely. Clean the rollers, clean the head. That's all nice and clean in there now. Let's get a
What are your favourite memories of
get a tape and test it now. Also I've got playback for metal and chrome support, but manually switched. Metal, normal, which is just out. Chrome and metal's in. Auxiliary input. Medusa. Don't give you a copyright strike, that one. Okay, that doesn't sound too bad. I gotta get a try and find an NCS or some other free mixtape with some royalty free music on it. And the area was in good nick too. Just got to clean that. It's in pretty good working condition now. Perhaps it had this boombox just had a minor fault. Oh, I know. This one. But that's got copyright music on it. That's instructions for your Ford Fairmont. But it's got copyright music on there. I'd love to play it through one day, but let's cut the music bit out so you can hear the public domain bit of it. What have we got here? YouTube audio library. Here we go. Pretty sure this is all stuff you can use for commercial use anyway, as far as I know. Let's try some power on tape. Leave this on there, it's from the factory that. Oh, the speed's right. Not bad. Nice and bassy. I'm not playing it loud, everything's turned up, the bass is on. Off. On. I'm not playing it loud, so I'll leave that below the maxed out. For low level, it's good for low level listening. Soft listening, as it's called. Sounds nice. Speed's correct. No Dolby. Normal. Chrome in the middle. Plays nicely. Not too noisy in the neck either. Plays nicely. There we go. Will it stop? Yep, because I had it on play one side then stop. There's going to make it play continuously. And it does. It flips the other way. Reverse the tape. See if I can trigger that to do it automatically. I can just can't get the camera to see it. Yep, reverse automatically. As the light also shows. There we go. Not bad. Sounds nice. It winds nicely. YouTube audio library. There we go, that's all nice and cleaned in there. I gave the head a good scrub with the Medi swab with some isopropyl alcohol. That'll eventually clear up as I play it more. The clutch was broken on it, I fixed that, and that was falling off and got inside, and I've actually managed to put it all back together correctly and it all works now. Sounds quite nice. This thing actually was quite a good repair, now I just got to clean it now. It's a bit dirty. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.